everyone, welcome back again. It's me, Mariam. So today what we're gonna do is to do unboxing of another type of glucometer that I bought from Shopee. And last week from my previous blog I mentioned that I have this GDM, and supposedly I want to use this glucometer that I bought from Shopee, but because it's urgently needed, I have no choice but to go to the hospital and buy this AccuCheck glucometer. So now I'm going to show you this glucometer that I bought from Shopee, and yeah, I'm not sure how to use this because I haven't I haven't watched any video of this product. So yeah, since my AccuCheck is almost finishing and I don't want to buy another type of, I don't want to get another strip or another pin for that product, and since I received a new one, so I'm just gonna show you how to use it, and hopefully I know how to use it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you this product now. Here it is. It's a sinocare Safe Accu 2. It's a blood glucose monitoring system as well. It's a glucometer. So what's the difference between the AccuCheck and this one? Okay, this one is much more cheaper than the other one because I bought the AccuCheck from the hospital. So I mentioned that it's $50. It's a set. It has of course the glucometer itself. It has a 50 pieces test strip and a pin, but I need to buy extra pin because the pin is not enough to cover the 50 test strip. So for this one is I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's $18 from Shopee. I'll just put the link down below. And so inside, so there's a AccuCheck meter, there's a test strip, and a lancet. Lancet is the pin itself. So there's a 50 test strip and a 50 lancet. Okay. So actually, I don't really know how to use this yet because I just saw a good review that from the Shopee. That's why I bought it. If you are finding a cheaper glucometer, you can find at Shopee as well. It's just the same thing as long as you read the review first before buying it or before getting it. Oops. Okay, when you get a thing from Shopee, you need to check the expiration date. So here it shows the expiration date. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So the expiration date will be 2023 May 7. So you check all the items. So this one is 2025, and of course I think this one no need for expiration unless it's broken, then you need to get a new one. Okay. So inside it looks like this. So we go first to the glucometer first. I think the packaging from AccuCheck and the packaging of sinocare, this one is well packed because the, what do you call it, the guide is on a sealed plastic. So there's a guide. Okay, I'll show you one by one first. There's a guide and the pouch. So this one is much more nicer than the AccuCheck. This one is quite hard and this one is a soft type. Okay, so we're gonna open first the guide. I think it should be the same thing, same method as how I use the AccuCheck. So for those people that having a GDM same as me, how's your gluco test going? Is it okay? For myself, so far it's okay. It's been controllable. So there's a gluco indicator card as well. Okay, they're gonna show you how bad or how high your glucose and how normal it is. Okay, user manual. Okay, and this is how you're gonna use the glucometer itself. Okay, so here okay, I think it's the same method. Before you do the glucometer, you need to wash your hand. You need to open the lancing device and then put the pin, covered it, twist how is the depth so that it can prick your finger. Then once you use it, you need to throw it. Like I said, you cannot use the same pin for it's a hygiene purposes. Sorry if sometimes I buffer, because when you're pregnant, sometimes your brain doesn't work properly, and I know that for sure I'm not the only one having the same problem. Sometimes my husband angry with me already because he don't understand. Okay, actually the case is nice, but I think if you want to put inside your bag, that one is much more lighter. Okay, now it's already 12 p.m. and I'm hungry because the last hour that the last time I ate is 8 a.m. Now it's already 12. I already do my pre-post gluco test, and I supposedly to do it again before eating. Okay, so inside, this is the monitor. There's a battery. It's a AAA size battery, and the one to put the pin to prick your finger. So first we need to put the battery itself. Okay, this is how it looks like when you open the power button. And for this one, actually I just realized when you're using the AccuCheck, every time you do it, it will record to the machine itself, so that you cannot forget what time is the last time you do the test. So I think this is the same thing, but I think this one is much more lighter than my previous than the AccuCheck. Okay, so this is the pen where you can put the pin inside. So I think this one you need to put one by one, unlike the AccuCheck. In one lancet there's a 6 pieces, so you no need to keep on pull out, back in, pull. So this one I think you need to put one by one. So since it's on the tree, I think we just try two first. Okay, so the two items is already open, and now we need to open this two item, which is the test strip and the pin. Oh, so the pin looks like this, and I'm right, it's per pieces, like this. Can you see it, guys? Sorry. And for the test strip, for the test strip, I received 2 boxes, 25 each of the test strip. So this is how it looked like. for the AccuCheck, one container got 50 pieces. So we only need to open one. Okay. So this is how it look like. It's airtight as well. So after you get one strip, you must close the lid so that the air won't go inside. Okay, as for the instruction, unscrew. Oh, oops, sorry. So this is how you open the lancing device cover. So you just need to twist it, and yeah. And then after you're taking out this lid, you need to take one of the pin. It shows to put this way. Oh no. Insert the sinocare lancet into the sinocare lancing device until it comes to a full stop. So you just need to put all the way inside. Okay, I don't know if this is correct, but I need to see the instruction. I told you, I haven't read this. Twist and pull to remove the lancet protector. Okay, it says this one is much more complicated than the AccuCheck. So you need to twist the cover. And there is the pin. Oops. Can you see it? There. And then you need to put back the lid. And yeah. There. So we are going to try this so that I can eat my lunch now. So same thing. You take one pieces of your strip. Oh, sorry. Okay, is it one piece? Okay, you need to take one piece of your test strip, and then if I'm not mistaken, okay, this one will be the inside of here. Here you go. So it's waiting now for the blood, and before I take some blood, I need to alcohol my hand. Same thing as the AccuCheck. So I don't know how pain is this. It's quite pain, so there. Then you just have to take some blood. There. So I'm just waiting to read. So this one got the counting. It's 4.7, and yeah, it's under control. So meaning because my normal control for blood is 4.4 to 5.5. Mine is 4.7. So yeah, it's normal, so I can eat now my lunch. So yeah, that's how you use this sinocare. It's so easy, but if you want it cheaper, you can get sinocare. But for using method, it's a bit like troublesome. Unlike the AccuCheck, just plug in, plug out. You just need to put one whole stack of the pin. You just no need to keep on changing. And yes, but the usage is same. So it's all up to you guys which one you prefer. So I think until here only, I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hopefully it helps you how to use this sinocare. At least you get two options which one you want to use. So see you next time, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.